से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Today, 15th of August 2024, we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of our country. And on this occasion, we plan to have a wall of freedom. This wall of freedom, basically this concept, is we have designed a wall and we have kept blocks which resemble the laterite stones in the wall. And in each wall, a participant had to write in one sentence what freedom means to that particular participant, what freedom of India means to that particular participant who has written the various messages on this wall. And in this, what we try to project is that what sort of expectations are there of the people when we call ourselves a free country. Today, we have seen various issues which the country is plagued with. It is not that India, after attaining freedom, has got all the negatives at the present day. There are lots of good things about our, achieving freedom also. Today's day, when we talk about freedom of expression, freedom of speech, we recollect how our leaders who struggled for freedom had to sort of invent avenues to propagate the word of freedom. We remember Lokmanya Tilak. He came up with the concept of Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav only to propagate the word of freedom. And various other people who used to circulate press notes, in the sense articles, stealthily by sort of keeping away from being caught. And today, when we are free, we experience how even the media is sort of strangulated. The voice of the people, how it is being stifled by using pressure on media houses. In Margao itself, we have experienced how the editors and the owners of media channels and print media newspapers are being called by politicians to requesting, I should say, threatening from publishing certain wrongs that we time to time expose of the government and the powers that are of the people that are in power as on today. And this is a very shameful act that media houses and the media channels have to be sort of pressurized not to cover certain issues in Margao. It is a wrong type, and today's day, when we talk about freedom, I think we should have the freedom of expression, and at the same time, even the government and the powers that be should be ready to accept criticism from the things that are brought to light through the media houses. They should learn where to correct themselves or where the government is going wrong. Pressurizing the media houses doesn't help. We were overwhelmed, in fact, on today's day, the participation that we got from nearly practically every school of Margao and Navili as well. Students participated and have written beautiful messages on what freedom means to them. It was a sort of a competition as well, where we have given prizes for the best message that has been posted on this group. And the prizes include free lifetime membership of our district library, because through that we also intended to promote the reading habits of our students, and this competition was not only limited to students only, but even elders, senior citizens, various walks of life people came and wrote on this wall. this wall of freedom was organized under the banner of Indian National Congress Margam block, and we are very, very much thankful to the overwhelming response that we have got from all the walks of all the sections of the society.
Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? You know the name, first name? Very close to it. Give her the prize. It's Umesh Chandra. From where did Gandhi begin his march of 380 kilometers? Sabarmati Ashram. Very good, very good.
Sang. Your name.
Your name is Vaishnavi Desai from NIT.
Big hand. Thank you.
It's 8th August.
Well, come.
Okay, the next question is, which concepts did Gandhiji introduce in Indian freedom struggle? Which concepts did Gandhiji introduce in Indian freedom struggle?
Non-violence. Yes, loudly. Non-violence. Ahimsa. Yeah, non-violence. Vandana Vaidya. Who are the two members of parliament from Goa who have gone to the parliament now? Yadu and Shikhi Naik. But I won't tell them.
You are good. And introduce yourself.
Your name?
Hey.
I didn't want to say. I wanted the nobody was there. Of the opposition in the assembly in Goa. Both answers. Wait. Anybody else knows? And besides, who have not got a prize. Anybody else knows both the answers? Come. Members of the CM, leader of the opposition. Nuria Lema. No, India. India.
From India.
Nathuram Godse. And now the Pana Marilla. Nathuram Godse.
Well, friends, I think there was no better way to celebrate the Independence Day than what we did today. And this is a concerted effort of all the people. Well, of course, we need someone in the vanguard, and that's Sanyo. Thank you, Sanyo, for giving us an opportunity to celebrate Independence Day in such a meaningful way. Now we wind up. We wind up by repeating the preamble. I'll read it phrase by phrase, okay? And then you will say it after me. Okay, so do repeat after me. We, the people of India, have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity. Adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
तेरी नदियों